Yeah, you see, I was helping this little guy change his tire when all of a sudden it rolled down the hill and...
Thank you, TC. And fellow members of the bankruptcy, we tried everything possible to make an honest dollar. Raffles, bazaars, block parties, and recently the George Washington birthday ball. Yeah, TC. Why don't we just bring in new people? There's nothing historic in this neighborhood. Just beat up buildings. Get your maps. Get your fresh buried treasure maps. What about me? What about me, TC? I ain't sold one pirate map. I'll try the next block. If that bombs, I'll go back and look for the treasure myself. Here you are. Genuine pirate treasure maps. Get them while they're fresh. Oh boy, customers. Get your maps here. Get your buried treasure maps. Pirate maps. They show you where Captain Kidd's treasure is. Right here in New York City. According to the map, I take 8 paces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 paces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Warning, this building coming down. Wonder if the map says anything about that. No, it just has to go straight ahead. I found it! I found it! The buried treasure! We're rich! Rich! Look! It's Captain Kidd's treasure!